Hello and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's not an unboxing Wednesday, but it is Wednesday. Let's get started. Finally, the weather cleared up so that I can start painting these doors and finishing that truck. As you saw the previous video, I was, the live video, I was buffing the tailgate. I already buffed the other two doors. So it's getting done. Let's just mix that sealer, start applying it. The doors are ready. All this was little door dings that it had. They're fixed, they're ready to go. The sealer has been applied. Now, I've been asked several times through email and through the comment section that if I have to sand the sealer. No, you do not sand the sealer. The sealer, once you apply it, you can apply your paint right over it. So let's just mix up the paint and start applying it. I'm gonna apply 3 coats. Let's go with the first one. All right, you saw me apply 3 coats. I'm gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry a little bit, then come back, start applying that control coat, drop coat, whatever you wanna call it. There you go, you saw the control coat. I was just a little bit farther away from the panel. The PSIs were the same, 28 PSI, and I don't want to say missed it, but I just glided my gun all the way down, making sure that the metallics were landing perfectly. That is the control coat, drop coat, whatever. So let's just let it set for about 10 minutes. Come back, start applying that first coat of clear. Now, on the clear, let me give you a little tip, guys. Do not, the first pass of clear, do not hit it real thick. Do not hit it real wet. It will run on you. Just kind of like, I want to say mist it, but not too much. A little bit heavier than a mist. It's just for you to get that adhesion perfect for the other 2 or 3 coats that are gonna come. All right, so let me just mix it up and start applying that clear. Just pay attention how I'm doing it, and let's get going. There we go. As you can see, it's not shiny. It's a little misty, but there it is. I was going 50% overlap. 50% overlap on the clear. So that is the first coat. Now, all we gotta do, I'm gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry, come back, apply 2 more coats, and we'll be done. And that is how you do that. Nice, shiny, ready to go. Very good, very, very good. Now I'm just gonna let them dry for a couple of days. Come back, start buffing those, put them back in the truck. The other side of the doors are already buffed. Let me take you over there so I can show you. These are the other doors, nice, buffed, straight. What more can you ask for? And this is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much. This weekend there's another video, so don't be discouraged that I put one on Wednesday. There's gonna be another one. See you this coming weekend. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.